Hello, girls. Today we discuss about the institutional arrangements. First, we discuss the definition. Institutional arrangements are generally understood as a set of agreements on the division of the respective responsibilities of agencies involved in the collection, compilation, and dissemination of the data pertaining to a given statistical domain. Such arrangements ensure that official statistics meet the need of users, follow quality standards, and are compiled and disseminated in the most efficient way. Meeting the needs of users is especially important in such a relatively young and broad statistical domain as the statistics of international trade in services. The scope of institutional agreements can range from determining the complete process of statistical production and dissemination to regulating certain parts of that process. Now we discuss about the characteristics of effective institutional arrangement. First, institutional arrangement should involve the key procedures and users of the statistics and can be set up in different ways depending upon each country's needs, priorities, and resources. They should contribute to establishing appropriate channels of communication as well as and mechanisms of the coordination to ensure efficiency in its statistical production. Number two, as a part of BOP, residents, non-residents, trade in services, statistics are important to monetary policy analysis and together with national accounts and other economic statistics describe a country's economic development. Third characteristics, compilers should be aware of another important analytical aspect, namely the need of countries' economic agencies such as ministers of the such as the ministries of economic affairs and chambers of commerce to conduct assessments of competitiveness of countries and economic sectors of the design of economic policies and international trade negotiations based on GATS. And fourth, the success of institutional arrangement in most cases is depends on the existence of the clear division of responsibilities and mutually beneficial cooperation between national statistical agencies and central bank, which have historically developed in different ways. Now, okay, girls.